Hello and welcome. This video is an overview of resin 3D printers. A resin 3D printer isn't your standard printing method. A typical 3D printer is an FDM printer or filament printer. They can produce parts like this. Like the name implies, the printer uses polymer filament to create the models. Resin 3D printers instead uses liquid resin to create the models. In this demonstration, you can see how the resin is poured into the resin vat of the printer. During the printing process, the build plate will be pressed into the vat. The slice file for the printer will project the image of the cross-sectional area or layer of the print. Using UV light, the light will cure the layer and move on to the following layer. With this form of 3D printing, you can achieve higher quality parts. This includes fine detail and smooth surface quality. In comparison to filament printing, a resin printer can produce layer heights as fine as 0.01 to 0.025 millimeters or 10 to 25 microns, while a filament printer can only achieve 0.05 to 0.1 millimeters or 50 to 100 microns. In order to maximize results, it's best to purchase a resin printer with a monochrome panel for displaying the image. With a monochrome panel, the UV light only passes through one layer. On the other hand, RGB panels have 3 layers which the light must pass through. As a result, the light can become dim at the end, which could cause curing issues for the layers. In addition to the fine detail you can achieve with resin 3D printing, there are a plethora of liquid resins that can be used. These include standard resin, clear resin, tough resin, flexible resin, water washable resin, and dental resin. To conclude, resin printers are extremely cool and great way to produce parts with extraordinary high detail.